In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a KPI dashboard in Monday.com step by step so you can track performance, revenue, productivity, and progress all in one clean visual workspace. Whether you're managing a sales team, marketing campaigns, operations, or client projects, a KPI dashboard gives you real-time visibility into what actually matters. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a dashboard, connect your boards, and add powerful KPI widgets like numbers, battery progress bars, and charts. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right in. The first step is to create a new dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar inside Monday.com, click on the plus Add button. From the drop-down menu, choose Dashboard. You'll then have the option to start with a blank dashboard or use a pre-built template. If you're new, a blank dashboard is a great way to fully customize your KPIs from scratch. After selecting your option, Monday.com will ask you which boards you want to pull data from. These are the boards where your KPIs live, such as your sales board, project tracker, marketing board, or budget tracker. Don't worry if you're not sure yet. You can always add more boards later. Once selected, click Create Dashboard. Now that your dashboard is created, the next step is to connect your boards properly. Inside the dashboard, click on Connect Boards to this dashboard. A panel will open showing all available boards in your workspace. Select the boards where your KPI data lives. After selecting them, you'll be prompted to choose which columns you want the dashboard to access. This is important because KPIs rely on specific column types like numbers, status, date, timeline, or formula columns. For example, revenue would come from a numbers column, task completion would come from a status column, and timelines would use date columns. Select the relevant columns and confirm. Your dashboard is now ready to display live data. Now let's start adding KPI widgets. Click the Add Widget button on your dashboard. One of the most commonly used widgets is the Numbers Widget. This is perfect for displaying totals, sums, or averages. For example, you can use it to show total revenue across all deals, total tasks completed this month, average time per task, or overall budget totals. After adding the Numbers widget, select the connected board, choose the numbers column you want to track, and decide whether you want to display the sum, average, minimum, or maximum value. You can also rename the widget to something clear like total revenue or task completed. This gives you an instant high-level KPI snapshot. Next, let's add a battery widget. The battery widget is ideal for tracking progress percentages. Click Add Widget again and select Battery. This widget works best with status columns or formula-based percentages. You can use it to show percentage of tasks completed, percentage of budget used, or percentage of deals closed in your pipeline. Once added, select the board and the status column you want to track. Monday.com will automatically calculate the completion percentage and display it as a visual progress bar. This is extremely useful for quickly seeing whether you're on track or falling behind. Now let's talk about the Chart widget, which is perfect for tracking trends over time. Click Add Widget and select Chart. Here you can choose between bar charts, line charts, pie charts, and more. This widget is great for visualizing revenue over time, tasks completed per week, sales pipeline value by stage, or even team workload distribution. Select your board, choose the relevant date or timeline column for the x-axis, and then choose the numbers or status column for the y-axis. Customize your grouping options to see trends weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Charts help you move beyond static numbers and actually understand performance patterns. Once your widgets are added, you can drag and resize them to organize your dashboard layout. A good KPI dashboard is clean and easy to read. Keep your most important metrics at the top, group similar KPIs together, and avoid cluttering the screen with too many widgets. Remember, the goal is clarity and quick decision-making. And that's it. You've successfully built a KPI dashboard in Monday.com. You created a dashboard, connected your boards, and added numbers, battery, and chart widgets to track performance in real time. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Monday.com tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.